take a ride with me?
Hi, so today I wanted to talk to you guys about longboarding and why I think you should give it a try. So first things first, you'll need yourself and, well, a board. If this is your first time trying something like this, consider finding a well-paved area to practice before taking on any bumps in the road. Now, this is my method, and a popular one, but everyone is unique in their balance, so you may find yourself more comfortable with a different stance. Pick a foot for a task. I use my right foot for pushing, and my left foot for balance. All longboards will have 8 screws to hold the trucks, the mechanism that allows the wheels to turn, into place. Place the tip of your shoe used for balance just on top of the closest screws at the top of the board. This will allow you to keep your weight forward, as the momentum will want to drag you back. It also helps for getting used to balancing, as your foot will be in the same spot each time. With your other foot, try to push evenly by rolling your whole foot across the ground. It's easy to want to simply push with the balls of your feet, but this will only serve to wear out your shoes and your legs. When not pushing, the foot will be placed horizontally across the board, giving both forward and lateral balance with the feet combined. You can also see here that the back foot controls the turning, leaning side to side to either turn left or right. Don't be afraid to put your weight into a turn. It might seem scary, but that is the only way. Don't be afraid to use your arms. They are just as important as your legs. If you start to feel off balance, stick your arm out the opposite way to help right yourself. And that's really all there is to it. Everything else is just practice. And if you spend only half an hour a day for 2 weeks, I'm confident that at the end, you'll be a confident boarder. Thanks for watching, and have fun!